Good morning, students. Myself, Savita Alfred, teacher of St. Michael's Academy. I welcome you in e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy. Today I will teach you Class 6 English, Chapter 1, Meeting Suzanne and its grammar portion. So, our first exercise we will see. Children, as you already studied in previous classes, there are 4 kinds of nouns. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, common noun. Number 3, collective noun. And number 4, abstract noun. Now today I will teach you compound noun. Compound noun consists of 2 or more nouns. It consists of 2 or more nouns. They are joined. That are joined together. These can form one word or can be joined by a hyphen. It can be one word like sunrise, sun and rise. These are 2 words and they are joined together to make a compound noun. Or a hyphen means this dash, like you have seen cutting board. Or remain 2 words. They can be remain 2 words as 2 words like swimming pool. Swimming is one word and pool is another word. So they remain separate. Or they can be 2 words. Even if they are 2 words as swimming pool, table, cloth. So, understood, students? So, students, our next exercise is say which kind of noun the highlighted words are. So, number 1, we stopped on our way to admire a beautiful rainbow across a waterfall. In this sentence, rainbow and waterfall are highlighted. Rainbow is made up of 2 words and waterfall is also made up of 2 words. So they are compound noun. Next to number 2, in cold places, people still use coal and firewood for heat. In this sentence, coal, firewood and heat are highlighted. Coal is a common noun. We use it as common noun, and firewood it is made up of 2 words, fire and wood, so it is compound noun, and heat is an abstract noun. Number 3, Skyway Airlines has placed an order for a new fleet of aircraft. In this sentence, Skyway Airlines and fleet are highlighted. Skyway Airlines, it is a proper noun. It is a name of airlines, so it will be proper noun. Proper noun. And fleet. Fleet is used as a group of something, so it is a collective noun. Intelligence. Number 4, the intelligence of the fox is described in old stories as cunning. Intelligence is an abstract noun because we cannot see, so it is an abstract noun. And cunning is also abstract noun. And it is used as adjective also. Adjective. Question number 5 is, we must add some watermelon to the fruit salad. In this sentence, watermelon and fruit salad is between it hyphen. Fruit salad, two words are highlighted. So watermelon is water and melon made up of two nouns, two words. So it is compound noun. It is a compound noun. And fruit salad, it is also a fruit and salad joined with two words. So it is also a compound noun. Now next, question number 6. The highway is closed because they are laying it with tar. Coal tar, you have seen black color coal tar they lay on the road. So the highway is closed because they are laying it with tar. In this sentence, highway and tar are highlighted. Highway is also made up of two words, highway, high and way. So it is a compound noun. And tar is a common name. So it is a common noun. Common noun. Our last sentence is, the audience cheered with excitement when the actors came on stage. In this sentence, audience and excitement, both words are highlighted. Audience, we use group of people. So it is a collective noun. Collective noun. And excitement, we cannot touch it, we cannot see it, so it is an abstract noun. Abstract noun. So now our question number B is, choose the correct word to complete this sentence. There are given some countable or uncountable nouns, so we have to fill it. There are not dash enough or any time to complete the test paper. So here will be enough time to complete the test paper. We have number 2, we have received much or several replies. So replies we can count, so here will be several replies. Dash people understand the importance of being punctual. Few or much, we can count people, so few people. Number 4 question is, there aren't dash some or any button on this shirt. Can you pass me dash another or either shirt please? So there aren't some or any. Aren't, so we will fill any. Aren't any buttons on this shirt. Can you pass me another shirt please? Then number 5 is, if we lose weight, there is little or less pressure on the back and the knees. So here will be less pressure. Less pressure. Our next question is, find single words from the text which mean the same as these. Number 1, crushed noisily. Crushed noisily means scrunched. Scrunched. Number 2, the part that remains of something when most of it has been destroyed. It means remnants. R-E-M-N-A-N-T-S. Remnants. Number 3, walking while taking long, firm steps means striding. S-T-R-I-D-I-N-G. Striding. Number 4, said something in a quiet voice such that the words weren't clear. Mumbled. M-U-M-B-L-E-D. Number 5 is frightening in appearance. Threatening. T-H-R-E-A-T-E-N-I-N-G. Threatening. Next exercise is B. Read these sentences and understand the situations that they describe. Then complete them using the correct idiom with look. When Jiten found out that he was the only one who had solved the puzzle, he dashed. Then he looked like the cat that ate the canary. Look like the cat that ate the canary. Number 2, the supplies haven't arrived yet and the workmen are away for the weekend. Dash, we will finish painting the house only next week. So dash, in dash we will fill from the looks of it or thing. From the look of it. From the look of it. Or thing. Number 3 is, I couldn't find the book even though I dash for it. So dash, in dash, I dash, look high or low. I couldn't find the book even though I look high or low. Look high or low. Number 4 is, as the participants in this year's dance auditions are all very good, I will have to dash if I want to make an impression upon the judges. So I will have to dash. In dash we will fill look to one's laurels. Look to one's laurels. Number 5 is, I think Hima Das and Deepa Karmakar have achieved such great things as sports women. I really do dash them. In dash we will fill look up to. Look up to. So students, I have completed this chapter 1, Meeting Suzanne. So you can upload the book from our school website and do the all exercises in your copy and learn it. Stay home, stay safe and learn properly. Thank you.